Hi, I'm Jose Vega, a federally certified court interpreter. You may be an attorney that uses interpreters occasionally, and you may have noticed that some interpreters have a lanyard around their necks. Some carry their ID visibly somewhere on their bodies, and some don't. You may be thinking, is there a difference? Is there some sort of rank, special club, or something where an interpreter wears an ID and others don't? Am I going to get in trouble because my interpreter is not wearing one? No, the ID doesn't mean anything. It's just to show that we are certified interpreters. It's not necessarily, most interpreters don't wear it, don't even, may not even have the ID with them. As long as you're certified, you're okay. You don't have to use it. Why some interpreters use it, though, is because, especially in federal courts, they require you, when working for the federal court system, to have your ID with you at all times. It's just for security in the courthouse. So whenever we go to federal court, we have to wear this around our necks, or somewhere on our person, visibly. Now, what happens? So you have to try to get a certified interpreter, right? It may be that your interpreter is not certified. So, and for some languages, you don't have a certification. In fact, only a handful of languages have a certification available. So if you're going to voir dire the interpreter, you have to be careful, because you may ask them, well, are you certified? And well, there is no certification for that language. So it might cause an issue. Other than that, the interpreter can provide the interpreter certification number. In the state of Florida, it's posted on the Florida court's website, the list of all the certified interpreters and registered interpreters, and provisionally approved interpreters. So you can find all those interpreters there, and be able to verify that they are in fact registered with the court system. I wouldn't be that particular, especially in languages of lesser diffusion, the less common languages. I wouldn't be very particular on them being certified, or even registered, because there is the vast majority of interpreters in the exotic language category is not certified or registered. But for the main languages that we mostly use in your state, here in Florida, it would be Spanish, Haitian Creole. We do have certifications. Other states like California has certifications for a lot of other languages. Vietnamese, for example, we have a certification for Vietnamese, but I believe there's only like 4 certified interpreters in the entire state. So chances are your interpreter is not, if you're hiring a Vietnamese interpreter, is not a certified interpreter, but one that has been qualified by the agency that is sending that interpreter over. Well, that's basically it. IDs around your neck don't really mean anything. They do come in handy, very handy for federal courts, especially for the local courts. Courthouse says they let us go in with electronics by just showing this. Comes in very handy, especially if we need to walk up into the section closer to the bench where we have the interpreting equipment in the federal courts. We can just go walk up to that interpreter's desk and set up all the equipment and say hi to the clerk and the courtroom deputies, and without any issues. So they do come in handy, and I guess it does help to show the attorney that we are certified, give a little bit more weight to the interpreter credentials. Well, that's basically it. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Please, I will be eternally grateful. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.